Are you not that good at drawing, but you still wanted to pursue a creative career, so you chose graphic design because it was easier than learning how to draw hands? Okay, maybe that last one was just me. I'm Elliot Ulm, also known as Elliot is a Cool Guy, and I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to make your first design right here in this course. My course is designed for the absolute beginner graphic designer. If you've never touched Photoshop in your life, this course is for you. If you downloaded an Adobe free trial 10 years ago but haven't touched it since, this course is for you. If you've ever hand-drawn a custom birthday card for a family member because you've always been a creative at heart, this course is for you. I've been a freelance graphic designer since the day I left high school. I consider myself to be a poster designer. I'm not too fussed about designing brand identities or logos, but more focused on how I can use graphic design as a form of self-expression and digital art. It's a really fun profession, and I'm always trying to remind myself how I can make it more fun while doing it. Learning graphic design as a beginner can be super intimidating. There are a million different options online suggesting the best place to start, whether you should go to design school or whether you should be a graphic designer in the first place, and it's super easy to get caught up in all the nonsense without actually trying it out for yourself. And that's why I wanted to make this course. I wanted to give you all the opportunity to strip back the job, the clients, and the criticism, and just focus on the joy of designing and give you a really nice foundation for thinking about and understanding what makes a good design. At the end of this course, you will have created your very own unique poster, gained an understanding of some of the essential tools within Adobe Photoshop, and wrapped your head around some key design elements like composition, color, and typography. You'll have also had a really fun time with your teacher, Elliot, who, even though he is just a recorded video right now, can promise that he is very proud of you. I'm going to walk you through some super easy to understand lessons that will help you learn everything you need to know about how to design your first poster. Step-by-step tutorials, lessons on design theory, my best practices when I design my posters, and some homework exercises to keep that design brain thinking. Now, there's a bunch of different design software out there, but I'm going to be using Adobe Photoshop for this course. A lot of the topics and ideas we will be discussing are universal, however, so feel free to apply them to other software that you might be using as well. I'm super excited to see this amazing poster you're about to create. It is going to be the coolest thing ever made, and I can guarantee that because you're basing it off something I've designed, which is very cool, so this can only be cooler. I'm the teacher of this course, so if I say it's true, it obviously is. Let's get started. I'm Elliot, you're about to have a great time, and welcome to my 21 Draw course.